The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So, some of you are asking me that please upload a video related to CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, how they can promote CPA offers. So that's why today here I'm going to show you a method what you can use to get leads from your Instagram with doing CPA marketing. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video, and please make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium to get daily updates. Anyway, so let's start our video. Okay, this video is going to be a very short video where I'm going to show you that how you can promote your CPA offers with your Instagram ID. So let's see. But first of all, we should select an offer. What can we promote in our CPA Instagram account? So for this here, we have to join any type of CPA marketing network. For this, you can get offer from Max Boundary or from other CPA networks as well, like a CPA Lead or CPA Grip or CPAbuild as well. You can also try to go with AdWork Media. You can find out a lot of CPA networks in OfferVault or F Plus or FPaying. So here you have to find out for CPA offer for you. So I am here going to promote offers which are related to survey offers, like single opt-in offers, SY offers. So for this here you're going to select your verticals in F Plus, and for choosing your CPA offer, go with CPA, and you can also go with the CPL offers. And if you want, you can also try to go with the SOI offers. So these are our SOI offers. Some offers look like Win iPhone offers, then Walmart gift cards, Amazon gift cards, PayPal dollars. This type of offers you can promote from your CPA network. So after you choose your all CPA offer and then sign up to your CPA network, after that you will get your tracking link. So now here's the questions and the solution how you can promote your tracking link through your Instagram ID. So guess what I'm showing you right now, all these methods are absolutely free. So here we are going to show you 4 different methods of what you can promote. None of this method require any website or hosting anyway. So first method was to promote your CPA offer with a message, and in the second bio, if we follow, we can promote our CPA offer via Google Doc. If you simply have a Gmail account, you can get your Google Doc, and you can write anything in your Google Doc and you can share it via online. And one of the easiest thing here that you can link up your links. Here you can see in the text you can link up with your tracking offer tracking link. Now this way you will able to share your Google Doc with all the tracking links in everywhere. So this is the one way you can promote. Now let's jump to our number 3 option. What you can use is just simply bit.ly. Yes, as we know that bit.ly is a link shortener, so you can just short your tracking link and promote that with bit.ly. Now here number 4 is pretty much interesting. Here we can use Linktree. As you know that Linktree is one of the best alternative of without having any website. You can promote your offers. Yes, we are not gonna need any type of landing page, because Linktree give us a landing page type of system where we can promote all our offers. As you can see here in this Linktree page, this guy include all his CPA offer links here. So exactly you can do the same thing, just create a Linktree account and link up that with your Instagram account, and then include all your CPA tracking links here like this one. So that's it, it's pretty easy. So as our offers all are related to make money and gift, that's why we create bios all similar to make money. Now here we can use these bios with a Instagram account which is also posting and sharing posts related to these bios, make money or investing. So that's why we can create Instagram profile like this one. This profile share contents related to business and more like a motivational business motivational page, but you can see the engagement is very high and the follower amount is also good. So these all are related to make money related our audience. So you can create this type of post or content, or you can republish the post and get an advanced audience from this profile. You can just follow their followers, so you can create this type of profile. Now this is just go for the first one. Now let's see the second one profile, what we can use. In that previous one page, we are just posting content related to knowledgeable, but here in this profile, if we notice, we are going to see that all the posts are related to monies. Yes, same as money and cars, a luxury type post, and the engagement you can see very high. So we can just make a profile like this one and follow a big profile like this for their followers, and we can republish their post like this one. And whenever we are going to post, we should type a caption like this one, and in caption we should put all 30 tags related to this. Now how we can find out these type of tags? Best winning tags can reach our content in the first rank. So for that, here we can use hashtag finder tool. You can see in my descriptions to a tool what can help you to find out the best tags for your Instagram, and you can use that tags to gain up in the ranking. Now this way you can promote all of your CPA offers. Now here is another example. If you want, you can create a page like this one, a free gift card related page, and you can post this type of gift card screenshots, and in caption you can just type all 30 hashtags related to that post, and in caption you can write whatever you want and get your audience. So this way you can create. And here's the last thing what I'm going to show you. If you notice this profile, they are promoting gift card offers. You can see that these all are the gift card offers, and if you notice their website, this is the website they are promoting. It's basically a script they are following to promote their CPA offer. So any of them, if you click, suppose you wanna get for PlayStation for free. Now if you click here, you'll see it will ask you for complete a little survey, and this survey is just your CPA offer. So this way you can also promote your CPA offer. So if you want to get this type of script, you can just comment below, or you can ask in our Facebook group. So we are gonna send you this type of script as well to make this look more professional. As we are at the last of our video, I am going to mention some of important things what you should follow while doing Instagram marketing, like I showed you earlier. So remember these things. When you create a new account and following someone or someone's followers, make sure that you should not follow more than 30 a day. Because if you do excessive, it will ban or block your IG account for a certain times. Now you can do the same thing. Suppose you are giving likes or comment, do it in a minimum way where they will not detect you as bot. So what you can do, you can just follow the 30 formula, where you can just follow 30, comment 30, and like 30. You can give like more than 30 anyway. So you can do it as you want to grow organically. But if you don't have any time and you are in a hurry, so you can follow my description. I included some tools what you can follow and grow your Instagram account very fast and easily. Just a single time work and you can grow your Instagram account.